What's up guys, in this video I will be testing 3 different AIs to see which can make the best video games. We will test ChatGPT, Adaptive AI and Claude. The rules are pretty simple. I give the different AIs the same challenge and I will not help them. There will be no human fixes and we will see how creative the different AI models are. And we'll see if they can actually create a playable game, or maybe it will be just a trash. Okay, now we will just give ChatGPT the prompt and we will see what it creates. Hopefully it will be something playable and good. We'll see in a few minutes. Okay, it was actually quite fast. ChatGPT has done its magic. The prompt is done. We will have to turn this into code and then we will be done. And let's play this freaking video game. This video game seems pretty fun, but it looks nothing like Roblox, so I don't know what's wrong with this. But anyways, it's a cool and simple game. And there's also a level up, I can see. Okay, so there's the levels. Okay, but I've got stuck in this corner, so there's a little bug there. Okay, now I've been able to get out. And we'll just go over to the next AI, Adaptive AI. This is Adaptive AI. It actually did a really good job improving my prompt. It even gave me 2 separate options, and I'm satisfied with it. Adaptive cooked up the code, and when the code is done, I will just simply copy it and paste it in Notepad. And then I will save it as an HTML file, and then we will be able to simply play it in our browser. Here is the final product of Adaptive AI. It's the best so far. There's at least a real character and not just a random cube. This is like a human figure, and the game is basically to jump on these blocks and collect these coins. And it was only made in a few minutes with a simple prompt, so I'm happy. I'm happy about this one. Last but not least, I will test Claude AI. I've changed the settings from Sonnet 4.6 to HiQ 4.5. This will give me faster answers and hopefully they will be better too. It's still thinking for a bit. Unlike other AIs, this asked me a few questions to personalize my game a little bit more. I will do a jumping game. Then maybe I will go with Bloxy Voxel, like it's a classic game. And maybe I will go with like collection. No, I will go with building, actually, that seems better. And let's see what it creates for us. So there were 3 questions, so it will be a bit more personalized than the others. And you don't even have to download this one as a HTML file. You can play it right here inside Claude AI. This game seems pretty similar to the others, but except there's no coins you can collect, so maybe that's something to improve on. But all in all, it's pretty similar and it works quite well. And you also get to see the controls. All of the AIs did a spectacular job creating a simple video game. And now it's time to rate them from a scale 1 to 5. So firstly, I would give ChatGPT 3 out of 5 because it was way too simple and it even had a bug. But the plus point is that it had multiple levels, but they did nothing. And the second one, Adaptive AI, I would give that a good 4 out of 5 or maybe 5 out of 5. That was the best so far. It created a playable game. And to be honest, this was the closest to a Roblox game, which was the original idea for this video. Lastly, Claude AI, I would rate it about 3 or 4 out of 5. It was simple, and another plus point that you can actually play this in Cloud AI, so you don't have to download anything.